Hey there, I'm Daisy Whitney reporting for Beat TV and NBC Bay Area in San Jose at Cisco's headquarters. Just had the chance to talk to the company's VP of Marketing about its social media and video platform, EOS. Here's what it's all about. Ken, give us a quick overview of EOS, what it is, how it works, briefly.
So there's a group at Cisco called the Media Solutions Group that produces a software as a service platform called EOS. And EOS is really targeted at media and entertainment companies. And what it does is it lets them develop a network of websites very easily. And these websites include all the social networking features and short-form video distribution. So today, media and entertainment companies have developed these websites from scratch, and they have to license maybe 20 different kinds of software and become technically expert and build it into websites and then scale those websites on servers and provide services, and they've become trying to become sort of technology companies to deliver this. And this is really a way for them to offload that requirement and let them go back to being entertainment companies and doing what they do best. So we provide EOS as a platform that lets them quickly and easy develop sites using drag and drop widgets, but totally customize the look and feel of the site so it can look like their entertainment properties on the front end. On the back end, we provide administration for all those sites. You can make sure that the developers are using approved pictures, and you can, because you know the different people that use the sites, you can use it to cross-sell and upsell other of your entertainment properties. So if you know somebody likes one action film and they've been on that film's website, you can promote another action film that you're coming out with to those people. And so Warner Music is one of our first big customers, and they have more than 700 artists, and they've found, the statistics they've shared is they can develop a website 5 times faster using EOS than they could before. And when they've transferred websites onto EOS, they've had as much as a triple of in the traffic improvement because of the social networking features. It makes it easier to spread the information virally. And then they've had 30% more user engagement. So the time people spend on the site is more because there's more to do. It's more engaging for them. So some really great metrics.
Can you name any other customers?
Yeah, sure. At the Consumer Electronics Show, we introduced 3 additional customers. 2 of them were record labels, All Access and 10th Street Entertainment. You might not be familiar with the names of those record labels, but they have artists like Blondie and Willie Nelson and Matchbox 20, for example. And our first entree into video, which is the Travel Channel HD. And so they'll be doing video work about travel with websites they build using EOS. And then just recently we introduced our first film company, which has a funny name, called Dogwoof, which is a British company, but they specialize in documentaries. So they have all these really interesting documentaries, and they do websites around those documentaries and you know, get people on those websites and can tell them about the other films that are coming out that they'd be interested in.
Thank you, Ken.
It's a pleasure talking to you, Daisy.